All right, there's this really cool vintage moped called the Zimzen Schwalbe KR51. It was built in 1964 in Zuhl, East Germany, and it has achieved cult status for its vintage aesthetic and extensive customization. I know this because our draw.io subject matter expert Basti is a Schwalbe enthusiast. So enthusiastic that when restoring his own moped, he built a wiring diagram for it in draw.io. And today we're going to be giving you a few tips on how you can build your own wiring diagram. First, we have to acknowledge how unique the Schwalbe wiring is. To get the right look, Basti combines standard electrical symbols with grouped elements. Just click and drag over your shapes, right-click, select Group to create a single custom component. Once you've built a custom component, drag it into your personal scratch pad. This becomes your own custom library, allowing you to quickly access and reuse custom shapes that you've created across different diagrams. For more complex systems, you can use layers. This allows you to separate circuits, and you can toggle systems on and off to troubleshoot one component at a time without the visual clutter. For more info on layers, you can check out our layers playlist linked in the video description below. Connectors are another essential part of wiring diagrams because you can use them to emulate actual wires. You can even set your connectors' colors to physically match the wires of your system. For example, if your Schwalbe uses a brown and white wire for the ignition, color code that specific path in your diagram. Surprise, surprise, we also have a connectors playlist, and we will link that in the description as well. When building these diagrams in Confluence, your diagram lives in the same place as all your project documentation. This is great for keeping things organized and easy to find for other collaborators. Whether you're restoring a Schwalbe or documenting a modern electrical system, draw.io gives you all the tools you need to simplify it all. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and make sure you subscribe for more insights and more tips and tricks on how to use draw.io. Until next time, happy diagramming.